In today's video, I am going to talk about synchronous versus asynchronous and try to explain it in very easy manner. In the field of computer science, we come across these terms a lot, right? And it's very important concept if you want to build a system out of it. So let's take a simple example to understand the difference. Imagine we go to a restaurant. A waiter comes to a table, takes your order and gives it to the kitchen. Now they move on to serve the next table while the chef is preparing the meal. So the same person can serve many different tables. The table has to wait for the chef to cook one meal before they serve another table. This is what we call asynchronous or non-blocking architecture. Here the waiter is like a thread allocated to handle requests. So a single thread is used to handle multiple requests. Now let's look at the other example. In contrast to a non-blocking and asynchronous architecture, we have blocking or synchronous architecture. Let's see how that works. So back to the restaurant example, imagine you go to another restaurant and in this restaurant, a waiter is allocated to you. He takes your order, gives it to the kitchen. Now he is sitting in the kitchen waiting for the chef to prepare your meal, and this time he's not doing anything else. He is just waiting for he's not going to take any order from other table until your meal is ready. This is what we call synchronous or blocking architecture. Now the first restaurant example represents a synchronous process because you did not have to wait. The waiter takes the order from one table and goes to the next table to take the order. While the second example represents synchronous operation because you had to wait until the resource can proceed with you. This is the single most fundamental difference between synchronous and asynchronous processes. One important thing to keep in mind is that the single-threaded event handling systems are usually implemented using an event or message queue. So when a program is being executed synchronously, the thread will wait until the first statement is finished to jump to the next one. While in asynchronous execution, even if the first one was not completed, the execution will continue. Hope you guys like this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone.